Brothers and sisters, bunions and blisters, children of all ages, I am your boy T Squared coming to you live with another mobile home tour extravaganza. Today we come to you from the rainy lot of Clayton Mobile Homes out here in Bad News, Virginia, aka Newport News. This model is the Tradition 48. This is a 28 by 48 feet, 1,344 square feet of mobile home heat. So strap in your seatbelts, kids. Let's ride. And here we are again, a nice old rainy day Newport News at the Clayton Mobile Home lot. Let me let you take in this nice living room, open concept kitchen area here. Very nicely staged. We see our dining room hiding over there. Want to check to see if this place is lazy man approved. Definitely loving the scenery and how they got that stone and thick chunky mantelpiece over the fireplace. Nice look here. Now we got two kind of like niche areas here to the left and to the right. I guess this is the build out for the fireplace area. Got the nice stone look here too at the base. Very nice execution on the stage in here, Clayton. Bravo, bravo. Definitely loving the flow of everything here and the look. Definitely loving that whole kitchen area and how that looks from the landscape side, as well as that nice dining room area that they got tucked away right there too as well. So definitely lazy man approved. Definitely lazy man approved. We're gonna dive on into this kitchen area. Kind of unique island here. We got legs like a table on this one. It's my first time seeing one set up like this. You can kind of see the gaps and the spaces in here. It's kind of set up more like a built-in table almost, but still keeping your space down here at the bottom. Got storage right there. Got your electrical socket access right there. But you got your seating around here to show the capabilities of being able to use this as an eating area and a prep area. Nice pendant lights there, nice touch. Got plenty of storage here around the refrigerator. Nice cabinetry all the way around here. Not lacking in any place to put away knickknacks. As well as down here, nice standard sink. Built-in dishwasher. Brush nickel on the stove and the microwave up top. Got the little baby niche up here. Guess you could throw some seasonings or something up there. Countertop does a good job of continuing here in the corner to give you more counter space. Very nice family dining room gathering area here. And always they do a good job of putting the natural light here right off of the table. Nice accents right here too as well as the good molding. We're gonna tuck our way in here into the utility area. We got an instant door right here. That's where your HVAC system resides. We got our back door right here. Circuit breaker panel there. We got your wire racks, washer dryer hook up in this nook, access to the water heater right here. So immediately out the kitchen, we got our bedroom jumping off here, as well as the bathroom for this side of the house. Got a nice linen closet area here for towels and storage. Nice faux towel look here on the fiberglass tub and shower combo. And who could forget? Nice old majestic throne there, creeping in the cut. Decent vanity here, standard round bowl. Got the nice job here on the lighting here. Pretty modern look there. Brush nickel accents. Overall, a fairly decent bathroom with vinyl flooring. Now, tucked right off of the bathroom here, we got a bedroom here. Vinyl sheet flooring throughout it. Nice decent space. Natural light coming in through the window. Fairly decent size on the room. You got your standard size closet here. Now as we leave out of this bedroom, we immediately sweep around the corner here. We got another bedroom tucked away. Vinyl sheet flooring. Standard light. Got another standard closet here. Looks like somebody left a flux capacitor on the floor up in here. And we're gonna take a walk down the vinyl sheet flooring road here and get over to the main action, which is the primary bedroom suite. Loving the vinyl sheet flooring, continuing all the way through the primary bedroom. Nice ceiling fan action in here, nice trim, nice staging. So we see here, we got our closet area over here. We got our bathroom tucked away on this side. Very nice closet area here, as you can see. Wire racks here, very decent size. Plenty of room for his and her together in this one. Let's giddy up and get in this primary bathroom situation here. And one thing that stands out in this bathroom, if you're a bathtub soaking person, this is your dream. I'm gonna zero in on that first. This is the steak of the whole meal right here. Look at how big that tub area is. It almost takes up the whole bathroom almost. So a soaker tub dream right here for you. Just got a little empty area over here. Guess it's up to you. Use your imagination of laundry baskets or etc. there. Big old ledge here. Got our standard throne right here. Natural light coming in through the window. Nice fancy lighting above the mirrors. Double vanity situation. Vinyl sheet flooring. Nice, cozy, well thought out primary suite for you guys. And there you have it. Another mobile home tour in the history books. I'm gonna get you guys back over to the man cave and we're gonna do a little recap. All right, kids, welcome back to the man cave. Man, that was a pretty nice tour of a very dope home. That was a double wide known as the traditional 48, or as I call it, carrying on tradition. So we're talking 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 28 feet by 48 feet, 1,344 square feet of cozy oasis in this house. Now, the 2 things that stood out to me in this home, one was that kind of different island situation. It had this like table look, like it had table legs, but it was still a built-in island. I like the nice pendants that they had above the island in the kitchen area. But I think the coup de grace of this whole thing is that bathroom. Not just the bathroom, but that soaker's tub. The way it was dominant and it took over the space. Chef's kiss on that one. Oh, but I know what you're saying. We saw all of that when you was walking through the house, T. We don't care about that. We came this far because you told us you were going to tell us what the price of that home is. So without further ado, the total price of this house was $116,941. Now, the one cool thing about this particular house, the model that we were actually walking in, had a sign up saying that it was a manager special. So sometimes at some of these parks, you can catch a manager special and get it marked down when you get the actual model that they're selling right off the lot. Now, if you were buying this model instead of $116,941, you would be doing $111,900. So they definitely trimmed a little bit of excess fat off of the price tag there. Now, another interesting thing about this house too, they also put on the sign that all the furniture and decor that's in that particular model, you get that with the house as well. So if you're in a situation, you can kind of get a win-win at this house. You can actually get it marked down, and you can already get it partially furnished. There was a bedroom set in there. There was a living room set in there. And also the kitchen was already decked out. We had a little bit of artwork. So definitely a good bang for your buck on this house. And now, I gave y'all everything that you wanted. I need you to pay it back to me. Pay it forward to me. I need you to stick around for a bit. Now, I'm not just a mobile home tour guide here. I participate in this mobile home community as well. I am a mobile home investor. So if you're interested in buying and selling used mobile homes in the Virginia, North Carolina, or Maryland areas, I am your gun for hire. So just like this number shows on the screen, you can give me a call, pick my brain. We can try to figure out together how to get you into a used home or how to get a used home off of your hands if you're trying to figure out how to sell it. Now, with all that being said, I want to let you know that you could have been anywhere in the World Wide Web right now, but you're here with me, and I appreciate that. I'm going to try my best to keep cranking out these videos, giving you guys education on these new homes, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.